some milk.
Damn, smoked it out.
He needed an oil change, he said. Thank you, man.
Take the block out there. Walk it into the pit.
I want you to keep it real with me, baby. Who you fucking with, who you seeing? You telling them lies again. In my feelings, I'm gone off the hand. In my feelings, they gone in the wind. There's no purpose on my face, you see the smile. On the inside, I'm hurting. So you just gon' get rid of me, baby. Like these hoes ain't feeling me, baby. You gotta be kidding me, baby. Fucking your friend, now you sick of me, baby. So you just gon' get rid of me, baby. Like these hoes ain't feeling me, baby. You gotta be kidding me, baby. Fucking your friend, now you sick of me, baby. Can't spend shit no way. Can't spend shit no New car dealer place, hit the interstate, tear it up. These niggas don't want war at all. My brother ride behind trucks, these bullets rip through a buzz. That chopper get finger fucked. That chopper get soaking wet. I'ma leave cells on the scene, that's a blade. Man, it stick like Ron. Get hit with like 5, Kevin Garnett. Now they ain't sound, keep them not text. The toys gon' jam, block full of shit. Nigga, I don't eat him, I don't fuck with the pig. Shit ain't squash, shit ain't squash, shit is what it is. Nigga, you know it. If you rip, you sold it. I just left the plug, I put it in motion. Just left the plug and I made it right. Need your love, nigga, I'm straight. Them in the buzz, I'm straight. Came in the end, came out of 8. I want you to keep it real with me, baby. Who you fucking with, who you seeing? You tell me lies again. In my feelings, I'm gone off the hand. In my feelings, they gone in the wind. There's no purpose on my face, you see the smile. On the inside, I'm hurt. So you just gon' get rid of me, baby. Like these hoes ain't feeling me, baby. You gotta be kidding me, baby. Fucking your friend, now you sick of me, baby. So you just gon' get rid of me, baby. Like these hoes ain't feeling me, baby. You gotta be kidding me, baby. Fucking your friend, now you sick of me, baby.
Hey, the engine work, right? There you go. Keep going. Like I said, the engine work, right? Keep going. Hey, it's off now. Fuck it.
Kick your man's off.
Hey, your engine work. Keep her going.
That's why I don't want to spin my shit. We gonna see after that stand goes. We gonna see.
I'm the only one at this intersection. The only one, except for this person and that person coming. Come on. I was about to swing it. I obviously cannot park, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let's just go ahead and start it. Let's go, Sam. It's all right. No, honey. We know. We know.
Car. You ever watch on the back bumpers in the front? Rookies, they put yellow stripes. So that's
Have a good one. I can't have a good one. Yeah, I just wanted to end this video off right by finally doing an outro. So if you like what you saw in this video, please like, comment, and please give me a sub. And I'll see y'all in the next video.